What if your WordPress site could earn you $500, $1,000, or even $10,000 a month? The secret: monetization. Let me show you how. If you got a WordPress site, it's time to make it work for you. Today I will share why you should monetize, the exact methods that work, and the best tools to get started. You will learn real-life examples of monetization and actionable steps to start earning. Why monetize your WordPress site? Turn passion into profit. Example: meet Sarah, a travel blogger who earns $2,000 a month promoting travel gear through affiliate links. Her reader loves her recommendations, and she loves the passive income. Another example is John. John is a web developer. His WordPress site sells pre-made templates, earning him $5,000 a month while he sleeps. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you trust and earn a commission. For example, Amazon Associates is a great starting point, while Share a Sale or Impact Reddit offer niche products. For the tool I recommend, use Pretty Links to clean up and track your affiliate URLs. Number 2 is ad revenue. Place ads using platforms like Google AdSense for beginners or Mediavine for high traffic sites. For example, a food blog with 5,000 monthly views could earn $500 from ads alone. For the tools, I recommend you use Azox AI to optimize ad placements to maximize revenue. Number 3, selling products or services. The tool I recommend is WooCommerce. This is a free plugin and perfect for setting up a shop. Pair it with Stripe or PayPal for payments. Selling products or services on your WordPress site is one of the most effective ways to monetize. Types of products and services you can sell: digital products, ebooks, templates, courses, stock photos, music files. Physical products, just like handmade goods or branded merchandise. Services like coaching, consulting, or freelance work as a web designer or a copywriter. And the last one is membership or subscriptions, access to exclusive content, tutorials, or a private community. How to set this up? Use WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a free plugin that turns your WordPress site into an online store. Features include product listings, inventory management, secure payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and shipping options. Plugins for digital products: I recommend you use Easy Digital Downloads for selling downloadable items like ebooks or software. For membership plugins, use MemberPress or Restrict Content Pro to sell subscriptions for premium content or services. Benefits for this method: you have full control over pricing and branding, no dependency on third-party platforms, ability to scale as your business grows, to make upsellings and bundling products, create marketing strategies, use landing pages, optimize for conversions, offer discounts or limited time promotions to create urgency, and lastly, integrate email marketing tools like MailerLite or MailChimp for follow-ups and upsells. How to start monetizing? Here it goes, my simple action plan. Step 1. Decide how you will monetize: with ads, products, courses, or memberships. Step 2. Install the right tools like WooCommerce for products or MemberPress for subscriptions. Step 3. Promote your site to drive traffic, because traffic equals revenue. It's time to make your site work for you. What monetization method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, every click and every visitor is an opportunity to grow your income. Let's make it work.